Hello everyone. Today we will study patterns. Look at these figures. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, and so on. Here the figures are arranged in a particular order. Let's say 2. When we skip counts by 2's, we get 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Again, let us see this necklace. The beads are in the form of circle, triangle, and square. We see that circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, and so on are arranged in a particular order. So the above examples are called pattern. If any figures, numbers, shapes, objects, etc. are repeated in a definite sequence, is called a pattern. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, numbers, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. We see patterns in our everyday life, like the design of printed cloth, carpet, bed sheet, traditional dresses, and so on. Let us try to understand patterns in number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. Here, the numbers are arranged in a particular order and each number is skipped by 2's. So, the above arrangement is called odd numbers pattern. Let us also try to understand another pattern of multiples by 10. 2 into 10 equal to 20. 22 into 10 equal to 220. 222 into 10 equal to 2220. Here, the above pattern suggests that when we multiply a number by 10, we can get the product by just putting a 0 to the right of the number. So by using this pattern, it is now easy to multiply any number by 10. Likewise, it is also easy to multiply any number by 100, 1000, and so on. Let us try to understand patterns in square numbers. Let us take 1. It can be represented by 1 unit square, 2 with 2 units square, 3 with 3 units square, 4 with 4 units square, and so on. For example, 4. It can be represented by 4 units square. Let us try to arrange the 4 units square into different shapes, as many as possible. We can arrange in this way. We see that 4 units square can be arranged in the form of square. Let us take 6. It can be represented by 6 unit square. Let us arrange 6 units square into different shapes, as many as possible. We can arrange in this way. We see that 6 units square cannot be arranged in the form of square. So let's take 3 again. It can be represented by 3 units square. As I arrange 3 units square into different shapes, we see that 3 units square cannot be arranged in the form of square. Let us take 9. It can be represented by 9 units square. Let us arrange 9 units square into different shapes. We see that 9 units square can be arranged in the form of square. Here we conclude that 4 and 9 can be arranged into square shape, whereas the numbers 3, 5, 6 cannot be arranged into square shape. Therefore, the numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on are called square numbers. A square number is a number whose units can be arranged into a square. We can make a sequence of square numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. This sequence can be extended infinitely. Likewise, numbers can also be arranged in as triangular numbers. Let us observe the following shapes made by dots. 1 dot, 3 dots, 6 dots, 10 dots, 15 dots, and so on. So, a triangular number is a number whose units can be arranged into a triangle. Therefore, the numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 and so on are triangular numbers, and it can be extended infinitely. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.